So today we're in San Francisco at the Hyatt Regency, and this is a pretty small room, but a lot of tech in here. As you can see, as you walk in, you can have control to all the lights, and probably the biggest room, the biggest TV I've seen in a room, 65-inch TV, which is pretty amazing. You could connect your devices with Comcast and watch Netflix, YouTube. So pretty cool. And also there is an Alexa speaker, which you can use to control the lights. Alexa, turn off all the lights. See how that works? There you go. Takes a little while. Alexa, turn on all the lights. So you can see this is pretty much it for the room.
Okay.
Small. Reminds me of a European size room. And in each side you can also here control the lights and drapes. And you could also use Alexa to open that. But the coolest part of this room, I guess, is this nice view of the Bay Bridge and the Ferry building. So awesome views. This is pretty much all you got for closet space. Got a little fridge, coffee machine, and here's a restroom. Again, here you just can control all the lights, and the little nice night lamp, night light, vanity mirror lights, and yeah, that's about it. So this is the Hyatt Regency in San Francisco, and this room is just a king bedroom with the view of the Ferry building and Bay Bridge. Thanks for watching.